miracle. Hurry up now, I need a miracle. Stranded, reaching out. I call your name, but you're not around. I say your name, but you're not around. I need ya, I need ya, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. I think I'm losing my mind now. It's in my head, darling, I hope that you'll be here when I need you the most. So don't let me, don't let me, don't let me down. Don't let me down.
behalf of the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018, we would like to acknowledge our city mayor, Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, the mayor of Alaminos City. A big round of applause for our city mayor, everybody. Once again, thank you very much to our city mayor, the Alaminos City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, for gracing us for this evening for the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be starting in a few minutes. So if you know people who want to watch a great show for tonight, please do invite them here at our event area, our event center, for once again the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018.
say, say. Look.
Global Bachelor Philippines 2018 would like to thank Alaminos City for its unwavering support in this year's competition. Primarily, of course, our city mayor, the mayor of Alaminos City, Arthur F. Celeste, and of course, his first lady, Madam Chloe Celeste. Thank you very much for your support for this evening. We would also like to thank Antonio Miguel Perez, the City Vice Mayor and SP Council, Ms. Michelle Segundera, the Executive Chairman, and Second 100 Islands Parao Festival. We would also like to give thanks to Mr. Solomon Tablang, the event chairman, who has helped us throughout the whole competition up until this evening. A big thanks as well to Dr. Emilu Galiado, City Administrator, the Philippine National Police, Peace and Order Safety Office, City Information Office, City Mayor's Office, City Cooperatives Office, Alaminos City Health Office, the City's Disaster and Risk Reduction Office, Management Information Office, City Tourism Office, the ushers and usherettes for this evening, the City General Services Office, and the Governor Amado T. Espino III for his support for this evening as well. And for the second 100 Islands Parao Festival 2018, which is currently happening for the whole month of March, we will be having the following events, which is tomorrow on March 19, the Civic and Military Parade at 6 o'clock a.m., the Float Parade, Street Dancing Competition, and in the evening, the Grand Ball and Balikbayan Night. March 20th would be for the Senior Citizens Night. On March 21, Barangay Night. March 22, Transport, Vendors, Associations, and Cooperatives Night. And on March 23, we shall be having the LGBT Day featuring gay boxing and gay basketball. Miss Gay West Pang Pageant and Coronation Night will also be held on March 23rd. And by March 24, we will be having our Youth Night, which will have guest performers like Silent Sanctuary, Joseph Marco, and Donna Cariaga. So there you have it. Once again, we are very much thankful to the City of Alaminos for their unwavering support for the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018.
People would say to accept defeat.
And if this is fate, then we'll find a way to cheat. 'Cause we'll say a little prayer. If the answer isn't fair, no, you can call on me when you need somebody.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will be beginning our competition for this evening within the next 10 minutes. Once again, Global Bachelor Philippines 2018 will begin in 10 minutes. And with that, we would also like to acknowledge the presence of the winners for last night's endeavor, the Miss 100 Islands 2018. And with that, we have in our midst the Miss 100 Islands 2018, Rochelle Diana Cancino, Miss Tourism 2018, Jana Carolina Velarde, and Miss Environment 2018, Anand Singh. And for the rest of the candidates who are also with us for tonight, thank you very much for being with us.
So, say a little prayer. But if the answer isn't fair, then call on me when you need somebody. When you can't stop the tears from falling down. From falling down.
Paging Mr. Juancho Gabinete. Once again, we would like to call on Mr. Juancho Gabinete. You are needed here at the side of the stage.
It's my big bronze boogie got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. We're from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance. Like, hey, flexing on the gram like, hey, hit that Lil Jon, okay, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping and finesse and getting paid.
Ooh, don't we look good together? There's a reason why they watch all night long. Yeah, I know we'll turn heads forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you off. When I'm walking with you, I watch the whole room change. Baby, that's what you do. No, my baby don't play. Blaming all my confidence. I'm blaming all your measurements. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. I hit tripping with finesse. It don't make no sense. I hit tripping with finesse. You know it, you know it. I hit tripping with finesse. It don't make no sense. I hit tripping with finesse. You know it, you know it. Now slow it down for me, baby. 'Cause I love the way it feels when we grind. Yeah.
Let us all rise for our opening prayer and the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
I'm so blessed, my Lord, I can see you in all the lovely things so fine and true. I see you in the beauty of the flowers and the rain. I see you between the lines of a sweet refrain. I'm so blessed, my Lord, I can see you even when I'm lonely and in pain. I see you in the beauty of the stars at night. I see you in my life, I feel alright. I see you, Lord, in sorrow and in happiness. I see you in the glory of sweet success. I see you, Lord, every hour, every day. I can see you, Lord, whenever I pray.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Now all be seated.
For the environment, equality, ituloy ang edukasyon, youth empowerment, HIV awareness,
No to premarital sex.
education for all,
Illegal drugs awareness campaign.
human rights, mitigate global warming, clean and green,
Sports for the youth.
tourism promotion, protection for the others,
Reuse, reduce, recycle.
poverty alleviation awareness.
Responsible use of technology. No to bullying. I have a purpose.
I have a purpose. That's why.
That's why I'm here. I have a purpose. That's why I'm here.
Live from Don Leopoldo Season Convention Center, all the way from our host city, Alaminos City, Pangasinan. A showcase of male pageantry like no other. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you 19 of the most enigmatic bachelors from all over the country. This is the inaugural competition of Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. Let us now take a look at our male contenders one by one, beginning with Baguio City. Batangas. Bocaue, Bulacan. Kalumpit, Bulacan.
Powers beyond belief.
Cavite. Dagupan, Pangasinan.
Powers beyond belief.
Ilocos region. La Union.
Powers beyond belief.
Malolos, Bulacan. Marikina City. Marinduque. Pangasinan. Pampanga. Quezon Province. Rizal. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our 19 dashing contenders vying for the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018.
Ladies and gentlemen, your host for tonight, Pisca Kevin Alfonso.
Good evening! Magandang gabi, Alaminos City! Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga candidates for this evening. A big round of applause for them, everybody. We are very much thankful to be here this evening, and of course, we are very much thankful to Alaminos City for embracing us for this competition, the inaugural competition of the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. So, at the end of this evening, we will be finding out who will be the very first Mr. Global Bachelor Philippines 2018 and who will be moving forward to compete in an international competition. So for these guys, we have garnered the best of the best from all over the country, and here they are, ang mga nagagwapuhan nating mga male contenders ready to give their all for tonight. And so with that, hindi na natin pag-iintayan ng ating mga candidates. We will be moving forward to our first set of special awards. So for this first set of special awards, we will be giving out awards, which is the Miss Friendship Award and the Mr. Wancho Photogenic Award. So for the Mr. Friendship Award, may we call on our presenter, Mr. Wancho Gabinete as well, already here. Thank you, sir. And for this award, the Mr. Friendship Award, this winner, or the winner, was chosen by the candidates themselves via voting. So whoever will win will truly be deserving of this award. For the Mr. Friendship Award, this award goes to you, Bachelor 11, Mark Jero Bagaporo. Congratulations. And for the next award, we have the Mr. Wancho Gabinete Photogenic Award. Mr. Wancho is here with me, our official photographer for Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. So for this award, chosen by Mr. Wancho himself, the winner is... Kindly take your attention on the screen, because the winner is Bachelor 14 from Quezon Province, Christian and Sarmiento. So there you have it, our winners for the first set of special awards. Bachelor 11 from Marinduque, Mark Jero Bagaporo, and Bachelor 14 for the Mr. Wancho Gabinete Photogenic Award, all the way from Quezon Province, Christian and Sarmiento. All right, so we will be seeing a lot more of our candidates, of course, for this whole evening. This is for them. But for now, we would like to of course, give the attention first and foremost to the city of Alaminos for being so generous. Napakaganda po ng inyong lugar, at ang ating mga candidates for this evening have already experienced your place for the whole duration of their stay here. So I believe the candidates have already been here since the 14th, March 14th, and you're also celebrating your second 100 Islands Para Festival, I believe. So this is a whole month celebration, and we're very much happy that you have let us be part of this celebration. And so with that, for our welcoming remarks, we have our Executive Chairman of the 100 Islands Parao Festival 2018, Miss Michelle Segundera, to welcome all of us this evening. A big round of applause to the beautiful Madam Michelle Segundera, everyone.
A pleasant evening to everyone. On behalf of our Mayor, Honorable Arthur F. Celeste, and the entire local government of Alaminos City, welcome to the annual Global Bachelor Philippines Proclamation Night 2018. It is with great pride that the city plays host to this exciting event as we present the most eligible young men in the entire country in search for the Mr. Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the event organizer headed by Mr. Solomon Tablang, Professor Childe Libertad, and all the men and women of the Alaminos LGU who worked tirelessly to ensure the success of tonight's event. I know all of you are already rooting for your candidates and are all excited to see them. Again, on behalf of our Mayor, Honorable Arthur F. Celeste, welcome everyone and good luck to all our bachelors backstage. Thank you and good night.
A big thanks as well to you, Madam Michelle Segundera, the Executive Chairman of the 100 Islands Parao Festival 2018. And with that, let us all watch this video. have just been shown how this city is truly a destination worth choosing. And with that, we are proud to give the stage to the Mayor of Alaminos City, the Honorable Mayor Arthur F. Celeste.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. So bago po ako magbigay ng maiksing mensahe, ngayon pong napakasaya at napaka-memorableng araw sa ating minamahal na lingkod, gusto ko po munang bigyan pugay ang ating mga bisita nandito ngayon. Gusto ko pong bigyan galang at bigyan pugay ang Managing Director ng Global Bachelor Philippines, Ian Curioso. Sir, palakpakan po natin. Siyempre po, kasama niya si Professor Childe Lipat. Palakpakan po natin sila. At sa ating pong 7 judges na nandito po sa harapan, ipakilala po sila mamaya ng ating host. Nandito po sila, palakpakan din po natin. Sa lahat po ng mga bisita na galing pa po ng iba't ibang probinsya, sa ating 15 magigiting na binata na magbibigay at magpapakita ng kanilang talento ngayong gabi sa ating pong lahat, sa ating mga kababayan at mga bisita nandito, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. So una po sa lahat, sa ngalan po ng aming minamahal na lungsod, ako po ay magpapasalamat at bumabati sa mga taong nagdala ng prestisyosong okasyon natin ngayong gabi. Gusto ko pong magpasalamat kay Mr. Ian Curioso, ang Managing Director, at si Professor Childe Libertad, na dahil po sa kanila ay pinili po nila ang ating lungsod para po dito ganapin ang unang Global Bachelor Philippines sa buong Pilipinas. Marami pong salamat sa inyo. Isa po itong napakalaking karangalan na ang aming pong lungsod ay napili ninyo na unang pagdausan ninyo ng napakagandang programang ito. So, magbuhat po, nagumpisa po at naramdaman po natin ang kasiyahan sa ating lungsod. Nag-umpisa po tayo ng March 1 at matatapos tayo ng March 28, na kung saan ang March 28, yun po ang cityhood anniversary natin nagaganapin sa ating lungsod. So, ito po ang, anong date ngayon? 18. So, pang 17 araw na nararamdaman po natin ang kasiyahan sa ating lungsod. Ito po ay ipinapagdiwang natin ang taunang selebrasyon ng ating fiesta at ito po ay ginagawa natin bilang pagpupugay sa ating na patron. So muli, sa ngalan po ng aming minamahal na lungsod, binabati ko po tayong lahat na nandito, lalong-lalo na yung 19 na magigiting na binata na magbibigay ng kanilang talento ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po tayong lahat at good luck to the candidates. At syempre, nakalimutan kitang banggitin, Michelle at Sol. So I would like also to make a special mention to our executive chairman ng Fiesta ngayong 2018, si Miss Michelle Sigundera. Miss Michelle Sigundera, palakpakan din po natin siya. So gabi-gabing napupuyat na ito. So of course, si Sol, siya ang event coordinator natin ngayong gabi, palakpakan din po natin. So muli po, maraming salamat and good luck.
Sir, our City Mayor, may we ask you to please stay on stage. Maraming salamat din po sa inyong mensahe para sa aming lahat na naririto. At syempre po, truly honored po kami na naririto kayo ngayon. And so with that, we would like to present this certificate of appreciation. Kung maaari po, dito po tayo sa gitna. Ayan po. So, for the certificate of appreciation, the citation reads, Global Bachelor Philippines Incorporated presents this certificate of appreciation to Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, City of Alaminos, for being the host of the 2018 staging of Global Bachelor Philippines, given this 18th day of March 2018 at the Don Leopoldo Season Convention Center, City of Alaminos, Pangasinan. Palakpakan niyo naman po ang inyong napakagwapo at napakagiting na Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, at syempre ang kanyang may bahay na naririto rin, si Madam Chloe Celeste. Maraming salamat po. And with that, we would also like to call on Miss Michelle Segundera here on stage to receive this certificate of appreciation. Of course, for also being the host for the very first Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. Thank you very much, Madam. A big round of applause naman po. Palakpakan ninyo ang inyong mga nagsiservisyo para sa ating City of Alaminos. And so with that, we will be continuing on with the rest of the competition. We will be bringing back our candidates right on this stage with the swimwear competition. Prepare to feel the heat, for summer has just landed. Wearing the hottest creations of the fabulous designer, Mr. Sunny Boy Mindo, our bachelors in their sizzling swimwear competition. Baguio City. Batangas. Bukawi, Bulacan. Kalumpit, Bulacan. Cavite. Dagupan, Pangasinan. Ilocos Sur. La Union. Malolos, Bulacan. Marikina City. Marinduque. Pangasinan. Pampanga. Quezon Province. Rizal. Tarlac. Urdaneta City, Pangasinan. Filipino community of Northern Italy. Filipino community of Southern Italy. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, wearing the creations of Mr. Sonny Boy Mindo, our hot 19 candidates in this year's Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 19 contenders for this year's Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. So what do you think about these candidates? Nagustuhan niyo po ba ang ating swimmer competition? So for this time around, we will be awarding who among them have worn the creations of Mr. Sonny Boy Mindo the best. And with that, we would also like to call on Mr. Sonny Boy Mindo himself right here on this stage to give out the award for his creation. Sir, thank you very much for gracing us for this evening. Mr. Sonny Boy Mindo is one of the most renowned designers, especially for swimwear. So with that, our best in swimwear is Bachelor 4 from Kalumpit, Bulacan, Patrick John Onia. Congratulations. So our candidates were able to visit the 100 Islands and have a tour last March 16. And what you're seeing right now are photos from that tour. And the swimwear that they were wearing on that day was also made by Mr. Sonny Boy Mindo. So thank you very much to Mr. Sonny Boy Mindo for his support for this year's Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. So at this point, ladies and gentlemen, of course, for every competition, we need people who would be in charge of not just the scoring, but of course, the winner itself or himself for tonight. So with that, we have gathered these people in front of us right now to judge for this competition this evening. And so with that, we begin with the introduction of our Board of Judges. So first and foremost, ngayon pa lamang po pinapasalamatan ko na po kayo sa inyong pagtanggap sa aming imbitasyon para po maging judge namin ngayong gabi. So we have our first judge for tonight. She has been a 5-year caregiver in Israel, served 14 years as community nurse specialist in dementia, promoted as well as a team leader in Birmingham, United Kingdom. Has served 2 years as a nurse in Royal Free Hospital, London, up to this moment, up to this present. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, Ruby Bautista. Our next judge is from Victoria Tarlac, Beauty Queen, Super Sirena finalist batch 2 at Eat Bulaga, international hairdresser, member of Hair Asia Philippines, also a businesswoman and owner of Eds S. Onia Salon. Ladies and gentlemen, Eds S. Onia, our next judge. Beautiful, madam. Thank you very much for being here. The next judge that we have is a mother of 3 successfully raised children and a loving wife to the project manager of Balog-Balog Multi-Purpose Project National Irrigation Administration, who is Engineer John N. Celeste. Past district chairman of Inner Wheel Club of the Philippine District 379. Past treasurer and president of Kiwanis International Philippine Luzon District, and is currently a businesswoman, owner, and manager of Aris 88 Construction and Supply at Poblacion, Bolinao, Pangasinan. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Madam Cirila Lolay G. Celeste. This next prestigious judge has come all the way from San Francisco, California, USA. Currently working at the United States of America Post Office, and a supervisor manages a nursing home in Daly City. An alumnus of Alaminos City National High School Batch 1993, and a Vice President, International Alumni Association of Alaminos City National High School. Help me welcome Mr. Aler Sison de Guzman. So we have 8 judges in total, and this next judge is an owner of Jerica Facial with branches in Alaminos City, Dagupan City, and Bani. She received her training on medical aesthetics from Tokyo, Japan last 2002. And she has also finished a course on makeup artistry at La Salle International School of Canada last 2012. She specializes on eyebrow embroidery and received training at Anlita Beauty Center, Manila. She received her training on eyelash extension, nail extension, and hair extension from Singapore, while she got training as a facialist from Flawless Mega Mall, Manila. She has also worked as a freelance makeup artist at ABS-CBN on 2012, and has also earned a bachelor's degree in culinary at Leroux International School of Culinary last 2013. Our next judge is none other than Aura Banikid, the beautiful madam. Thank you very much for being with us for this evening. And with that, we continue on with the next judge, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in accountancy, graduate of fashion designing at Golden Hands School of Fashion, fashion design and merchandising at Asian Institute of Fashion and the Arts, a renowned fashion designer all the way from Angeles City, Pampanga. Help me welcome Mr. June Angeles. All right, so he's just at the back, but you'll be seeing him later on. Okay, moving on, we have this next judge who is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. He works in the Middle East for 13 years, has worked a retired nurse in Sacramento, California, president of the Bolinao Association in the United States of America, president of the Orozco Foundation for Scholarship in College for Less Fortunate and Deserving Students, chairman in the Bolinao Town Fiesta, lives in Vallejo, California, USA, and from Bolinao, Pangasinan, our next judge, Mr. Efren Arian Orozco. Thank you very much, sir, for being with us for the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. And we are down to our last judge, but definitely, most definitely not the least. He is one of the designer and markers in Bench Uncut. He won the Best in National Costume in Men of the World held in Dominican last 2015. He is also the maker of the headdress in America's Next Top Model, American and British Invasion, held in London. The owner of Santino Rivera Creation and the chairman of the Board of Judges for tonight, Mr. Santino Rivera. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have already completed our 8 judges for tonight. And Sad to say, so I'm sorry to you guys. You'll be having a hard time for this evening because these 19 contenders are really giving their best for tonight. And with that, for every competition, of course, we shall have a criteria for judging that shall be used for the competition. And just a reminder to everyone, the competition did not just begin this evening, but it has begun since the contestants have already gathered here in Alaminos City, Pangasinan. So we have already had our preliminaries for the last few days. So to determine our top 12 finalists who we will be announcing later on, the bachelors were judged based on the following criteria. For the Normantino mentoring, 10 points. For the preliminary swimwear, creative barong, formal wear, and preliminary interview, 10 points. The rest of the scores are to be given by the members of the GBPI organization based on the attitude of the bachelors during the preliminary competition throughout the whole week. So we are not just looking for good-looking men here. We are looking for the overall package who we will be sending out for an international competition, which is the Mr. Global International 2018. So after the top 12 has been determined, the scores will go back to 0, and the final 6 will be chosen by their combined scores from the casual interview and the final question, which will be happening later on. And of course, the winners for tonight will be selected by the preliminary and proclamation night judges together with the Global Bachelor Philippines Incorporated organization. So that's how we will be choosing who will be our Global Philippine Bachelor 2018 or Global Bachelor Philippine 2018. So there you have it. We have already introduced our judges and we have already given out our criteria for judging at this moment. Of course, I would like to give thanks and grab this opportunity to thank all of you. Maraming salamat po sa pagdating ninyo ngayong gabi. At syempre, nais rin po namin magpasalamat. The Global Bachelor Philippines 2018 is actually a presentation of GBPI organization in the city of Alaminos, Pangasinan, duly headed by your very own City Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, co-presented by Montage Skin Science and Aesthetics, with our partner affiliates, Infinite Productions and Talent Management Incorporated, headed by their regional directors, Chino Lailo and William Clamera, who is here with us tonight. Thank you very much for supporting us. Ginoo at Binibining Bulacan Charity Incorporated, headed by their regional director, Chiki Francisco. Mr. Republica ng Pilipinas Europe, headed by the regional director, Paulo Noces. Of course, our official sponsors, we cannot forget them, Narciso Ramos Sports Complex Dormitory, our official home of the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. I was fortunate enough to have stayed there last night. Maraming salamat. To Mr. Sunny Boy Mindo, our official swimwear creator, designer. And of course, to Mr. Juancho Gabinete for being our official photographer for Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. And to our associate photographer, Mr. Dennis Espinili Salcedo. Thank you very much. Our official media partner, Norman.com and the Sash Factor. Maraming salamat din po. And kung meron po kayong mga kaibigan, kapamilya, at mga kakilala na gusto pong manood ng ating competition for this evening and cannot make it tonight, pwede niyo pong sabihin sa kanila na manood because we are live at streaming at LGU Alaminos Pangasinan YouTube. So once again, we are live streaming at LGU Alaminos Pangasinan on YouTube. So if you want to watch, if you want them to watch, just tell them to go on that YouTube channel. And of course, we would also like to give special thanks to Bibay Bautista of Bibay's Line for my awesome outfit for this evening. And I would also like to thank my makeup artist for this evening, Ian Star, makeup by Ian Star of Tanawan. So kung gusto nyo pong kunin ang kanyang services as well, you may contact him through Instagram. Just search for Makeup by Ian Star. And we would also like to give thanks, of course, to Mr. Childel Libertad, our host committee and chairperson for Global Bachelor Philippines. Thank you very much for being so supportive throughout the whole competition. And we would like to acknowledge the presence of our Mr. Global Philippines 2017, James Alfred Ventura, and Mr. Philippines Tourism 2017, Woody Andres Jr. Thank you very much as well for being here. Ang nagkagwapuhan nating mga Mr. Philippines and Mr. Global. And with that, we would also like to thank Mr. Solomon Tablang, our event chairman, who has helped us all throughout the competition. Dr. Emilu Galiado, City Administrator, Philippine National Police for keeping us safe for tonight. Peace and Order Safety Office for helping out with, of course, the peace and safety as well. City Information Office, the Alaminos City Mayor's Office, City Cooperatives Office, and the City Health Office as well. A big thanks to the City Disaster and Risk Reduction Office, Management Information Office, City Tourism Office, and the ushers and usherettes that are here for this evening. A big thanks to the City General Services Office and to Governor Amado T. Espino III. Thank you very much. So for tonight, we shall be having an intermission number coming from your very own Young and Reckless.
John Wick. You're not very good at retiring. I'm working on it. Hold it! Let's go! Give me a gun. Put a little curve on them. Work on 'em, put a little work on 'em. Trigger finger in the eye, put a little curve on 'em. I make it clap, make it clap. I make it clap, make it clap. I make it clap, make it clap. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Untouchable, untouchable, getting mad, getting mad, running through my guns. Untouchable, untouchable, getting mad. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grind. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grind. Bubble, bubble, jiggle, clutch, grind. Jordan the monster wine. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grind. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grind. Bubble, bubble, jiggle, clutch, grind. Jordan the monster wine. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grind. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grind. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grind. Jordan the monster wine. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grind. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grind. Bubble, jiggle, clutch, grind. Get ready to bump and competition. You got the qualification. You already know the program. You will run the town. They say you're a monster. A monster. Why not? Why not? Show them you look out. Get past the people. Get past the hitman. Yeah. To the rhythm of the rock. To the rhythm of the back. To the rock. To the rock. I can get busy just one more time. Let me clear my. Let me clear my. Excellent. Hey.
Thank you very much, Young and Reckless, for giving out that very energetic performance. And now, showcasing the art and beauty of our Philippine national costume, we're proud to bring back our bachelors in the Coat Barong presentation crafted by Mr. June Angeles. We begin with Bachelor 1. Baguio City. Bachelor 2, Batangas. Bachelor 3, Bocaue, Bulacan. Bachelor 4, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Bachelor 5, Cavite. Bachelor 6, Dagupan, Pangasinan. Bachelor 7, Ilocos Sur. Bachelor 8, La Union. Marikina City. Bachelor 11, Marinduque. Bachelor 12, Pangasinan. Bachelor 13, Pampanga. Bachelor 14, Quezon Province. Bachelor 15, Rizal. Bachelor 16, Tarlac. Bachelor 17, Urdaneta City, Pangasinan. Bachelor 18, Filipino Community of Northern Italy. Bachelor 19, the Filipino Community of Southern Italy. and gentlemen, in their Coat Barong presentation by none other than Mr. June Angeles himself. Our 19 contenders for the Global Bachelors Philippines 2018. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Napakagandang mga kasuotan, truly a work of art. And of course, it is made by none other than Mr. June Angeles himself, one of the most renowned designers that we have in Angeles City. So with that, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating designer for this segment. And we would also like to welcome him on stage to, of course, give him the honor that he deserves for these wonderful creations. Sir, may we invite you here on stage? So this is a new take, a breath of fresh air for what we are usually used to for the barong, the Philippine barong. So there you have it. Palakpakan naman po natin Mr. June Angeles. So Mr. June Angeles, just one quick question before we let you go. So what is your inspiration? What are your inspiration in creating these masterpieces?
The global competition nowadays are very stiff and hard. So, ginawa ko po lahat ng magagawa ko para ma-represent yung country na hindi lang ng probinsya namin o ng probinsya ng Alaminos, kundi ng buong Pilipinas para maging globally competitive yung fashion industry natin na nangangailangan po talaga ng tulong ng ating gobyerno. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you very much, Mr. June Angeles. And of course, we need these kinds of people to continue on with not just the culture of our own cities, but the culture of the whole Philippines as well. So with that, isang malakas na palakpakan para sa ating mga contenders for this evening, wearing the creations of Mr. June Angeles in their Barong segment. So I've been mentioning a while ago that we have been having some activities while we were here in Alaminos City. And of course, your generous city has made us experience what this city has to offer. And of course, this city has been gifted with a lot of natural resources and a lot of course, natural places that we can visit all year round. And so with that, we give you a sneak peek, a behind the scenes of what went throughout the whole competition of the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. Please watch this. So that was the behind the scenes of what went through with Global Bachelor Philippines and of course, their tour around Alaminos City. Thank you very much. This is truly a world-class destination. And with that, we will be having another performance and intermission number coming once again from Young and Reckless.
Spoken words went like this.
It's that noodle, you know what I'm talking about.
From the street to the club, let's get it. From the islands in the Pacific, red ribbon, cake, let's get it. Ooh, if I get low, you with it. Yes, now gather round, up and down, in and out. It don't matter where you are, feel it like a all-star. Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up. Nuts, 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 nuts. 1,
2, Stuck XP. Kalimutan mo na yan, sige-sige maglibang. Huwag kang magpakaibang, dapat ay itawa lang. Ang problema sa babae, dapat tininda. Hayaan mo silang mag-apol sa'yo, diba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, lahat ka nagloloko. Pagkatapos kapag kinabang ang bigla lalayo. Kaya wag nang uulit pa, kaya wag nang uulit pa. Hey, you know what it is. No, I ain't get it, boy. I'm green face, but I ain't forget it, boy. Bitch, baby, if she say I can get it, boy. This a hit and I'ma make a nigga feel it hot.
Thank you very much, Young and Reckless, for giving us another jaw-dropping performance. At this point, Global Bachelor Philippines would like to thank the following. Our partner affiliates, Infinite Productions and Talent Management Incorporated, headed by the regional directors Chino Lailo and William Clomera. Ginoo at Binibining Bulacan Charity Incorporated, headed by the Regional Director, Chiqui Francisco. Mr. Republican Filipinas Europe, headed by the Regional Director, Paulo Noces. Our official partner sponsors, Narciso Ramos Sports Complex Dormitory, official home of the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. Sunny Boy Mindo, official swimwear designer. Juancho Gabinete Photography, our official photographer. Dennis Espinelli Salcedo, associate photographer. Our official media partners, NormanNorman.com and The Sash Factor. A special thanks as well to Vibay Bautista of Vibay's Line for the gowns of our host, and to the makeup artist, Makeup by Ian Starr of Tanawan, together with Mark Fabia, of course, for my makeup as well. And if you want to get their services, just contact them on Instagram, Makeup by Ian Starr. We'd also like to give thanks to Mr. Childe Libertad, our host committee and chairperson for Global Bachelor Philippines. And a big shout out to Mr. Global Philippines 2017, James Alfred Ventura, and Mr. Philippines Tourism 2017, Woody Andres Jr. Also, the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018 Proclamation Night is a production of the College Center for Culture and the Arts of SPCF, or Systems Plus College Foundation, and is directed by Mr. Larry Garcia. Striking, dashing, and oh so captivating. This is the Creative Barong competition of the Global Bachelor of the Philippines 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you back our male contenders. Macays Kiambao, Baguio City. Jet F. Katigbak, Batangas. Hernan and Abraham Bocaue, Bulacan. Patrick John Onia, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Christian Allen Gobrin, Cavite. Michael M. Martinez, Dagupan, Pangasinan. Victor M. Alvaran III, Iloxur. Gino Diaquino, La Union. John Alwin F. Angeles, Malolos, Bulacan. Mark Lester Suarez, Marikina City. Mark Jero Bagaporo, Marinduque. Miko Chester Gallardo, Pangasinan. Vince Paul B. Tumaliwan, Pampanga. Christian and Sarmiento, Quezon Province. Jeffrey Timon Rizal. Dieter Feliciano Corpus Tarlac. Miko Alain Submit, Urdaneta City, Pangasinan. Mark Vincent Mejia, Filipino community of Northern Italy. Joshua Manansala, Filipino community of Southern Italy. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big round of applause for our 19 contenders in their Creative Barong segment. So ladies and gentlemen, okay, so you might have noticed I've had a costume change. Once again, I would like to thank Device Line for my gowns for this evening. But of course, the stars of this evening are these 19 handsome and gorgeous men at my back. So to you, gentlemen, congratulations for the whole competition. Palakpakan naman po natin sila mga kaibigan. And of course, what they are wearing right now is their very own Creative Barongs. So these were made by each of their own designers naman. And this showcases, of course, the talents of the many Filipino designers that we have here, as what Mr. June Angeles has said is what is needed for our country to prosper in terms of the fashion industry. So with that, we will be awarding our best in Creative Barong. We now have once again with us our official photographer, Mr. Juancho Gabinete. And for the best in creative barong. So once again, ladies and gents, this has already been prejudged. For the best in creative barong, we have Bachelor 14, all the way from Quezon Province, Christian and Sarmiento. And now we will shall be having our best in formal wear. So the formal wear has already been prejudged as well in our preliminary competitions. So for the best in formal wear, it goes to male contender number 19, Joshua Manansala from the Filipino community of Southern Italy. Congratulations, Bachelor 19. So congratulations once again to the winners for this award. We had the best in creative barong, Bachelor 14 from Quezon Province, Christian and Sarmiento. And for the best in formal wear, Joshua Manansala, Bachelor number 19 from the Filipino community of Southern Italy. So we have now gotten down to the moment where we will be cutting down our male contenders from 19 to 12. Who do you think will enter our first cut for the top 12? Sino sa tingin ninyo? All right. Each with their own bets, but for this cutting down of our 19 contenders, I would like to say to everyone who will not make it, of course, you are still all winners, and everyone has their own time. It might not be your time for tonight, but of course, never give up. In the future, it might be yours too. Let us continue. The first bachelor to enter our top 12 is Bachelor 18, Mark Vincent Mejia from the Filipino community of Northern Italy. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, all the scores that were tallied from the preliminary competition, as was stated a while ago, were the basis of our top 12. The next bachelor to enter our top 12 is you, Bachelor 4 from Kalumpit, Bulacan, Patrick John Onia. Congratulations. You can already feel the tension. And now, for the third bachelor, all the way from Cavite, Christian Allen Gobrin, bachelor number 5. The fourth slot goes to bachelor number 9 from Malolos, Bulacan, John Alvin Angeles. Who will be next? It is you, bachelor number 15 from Rizal, Jeffrey Montibo. Halfway through. And with that, we have our bachelor from Marinduque, Bachelor 11, Mark Jero Bagapor. Congratulations, you are part of their top 12. We are now down to our top 7, and this slot goes to Victor Alvaran III, Bachelor number 7 from Ilocos Sur. 5 more slots to go, and this spot goes to you. Batangas Bachelor 2, Zenwar Jet Katigbak. The cheers are getting louder, and with that, let us continue. You are part of the top 12 Bachelor 13 from Pampanga, Vince Paul Tumaliwan. Also part of our top 12 is, who do you think? Who? You are correct. Bachelor 19 from the Filipino community of Southern Italy, Joshua Manansala. We only have 2 slots to go for 2 gentlemen to enter our top 12 for the Global Bachelor Philippines. And it goes to Bachelor 3, Hernan Abraham from Bocaue, Bulacan. One more to go, and we will now be completing the circle 12. The next bachelor to enter the top 12 and to complete it is Bachelor 14, Christian Sarmiento from Quezon Province. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we have now completed our top 12. To the rest of our contenders who did not make it, once again, still congratulations to you guys. And with that, a recap of our bachelors who made it to our top 12. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our top 12, Filipino community of Northern Italy, Bachelor 18, Mark Vincent Mejia, Bachelor 4 from Kalumpit, Bulacan, Patrick John Onia, Bachelor 5 from Cavite, Christian Allen Gobrin, Bachelor 9 from Malolos, Bulacan, John Alwin Angeles, Bachelor from Rizal, 15, Jeffrey Montibo, our Bachelor 11, Marinduque, Mark Jero Bagapor, Bachelor 7, Ilocos Sur, Victor Alvaran III, our Bachelor number 2 from Batangas, Zenwar Jet Katigbak, and Bachelor 13 from Pampanga, Vince Paul Tumaliwan. Next is our Bachelor number 19, Joshua Manansala from the Filipino community of Southern Italy, and also from Bocaue, Bulacan, Bachelor 3, Hernan Abraham, and Bachelor 14, Christian Sarmiento from Quezon Province. Congratulations, guys! You have made it to our top 12, and you will be continuing on to the rest of the competition, where you will be facing one more challenge before our top 6. Once again, a big round of applause for our top 12, everybody. And with that, may we ask Bachelor number 18 from the Filipino community of Northern Italy to join us here up front for us to continue on with the rest of the competition. So this is where it gets challenging, especially for our judges, because at this point, we will now be having our interview. Once again, calling on our Bachelor number 18 from the Filipino community of Northern Italy, Mark Vincent Mejia. So ladies and gentlemen, for this segment, or for this portion, we will only be having one question for all of our contenders. And as we all know, this competition, as I've said a while ago, we're not just looking for good looks, which you of course have with that charming smile of yours, but of course we're also looking for the heart and the wit. And so for this segment, we ask our top 12 regarding what their advocacy is. So Bachelor 18, Mark Vincent Mejia, congratulations for making it. How do you feel right now?
I feel like pretty nervous, but I think it's normal.
Of course, it is normal to feel nervous at this stage of the competition. So, Mark, what is your advocacy and why did you choose this advocacy?
As part of middle generation, I can say that technology has influenced everyone's life, but more on society as a whole. With the introduction of internet, with a simple click, we can have everything instantly. But on the other hand, technology seems to have created a barrier between people. And so at this point, we have to stop and think. And I believe that we have to balance technology and socialization. So I stand to not turn today's people into cyborg, and I propose to real world with real feelings. And my conclusion is that technology must improve your life and don't let it become your life. Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Bachelor 18 from the Filipino community of Northern Italy. Next is our Bachelor 4, all the way from Bulacan, Kalumpit, Bulacan, Patrick John Onia. So ladies and gentlemen, we are only giving our contenders 1 minute, I believe 1 minute to answer this question. And so, Patrick or John, which would you prefer for me to call you?
They used to call me PJ. So.
PJ, okay. So PJ, same question. What is your advocacy and why have you chosen this advocacy?
Inheritance, tradition, legacy. These things we keep on neglecting nowadays. So I think the remnants of the colonial period, the legacy passed through generations, and the richness of Philippines folklore needs an eye for us. And as a voice of the few who still value this heritage, I want to gain and use influence in order to insist or instill to everyone the importance of preserving this cultural heritage. Huwag po sana nating kalimutan yung bukas na meron tayong pagkakakilanlan bilang magigiting at mapagmahal sa nakaraan sa pamana ng ating mga ninuno. At yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much as well. That was Patrick John Onia, or PJ, Bachelor 4. Next, we shall be having our Bachelor number 5 from Cavite, Christian Allen Gobrin. Hi, Christian. Hi, all right. So you're from Cavite?
Dasmariñas, Cavite.
Okay, Dasmariñas, Cavite. So here's your question as well. The same goes. What is your advocacy and why have you chosen this advocacy?
My advocacy is youth empowerment. Molding a youth to be effective leader. They are the most socialized people nowadays, so they can influence other people by doing right and justice and teaching them to become a good citizen in this community. So I will give you an example of a young achiever, Mark Zuckerberg, the creator and founder of Facebook, and now he is the youngest billionaire at his age. That is so much inspiring for us. So it just simply implies that the youth for the next generation can make a big difference in this fast-forward changing nation. So I myself engaged to make happiness of everyone and I have a purpose. That's why I'm driven. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let us now move forward to Bachelor 9 from Malolos, Bulacan, John Alvin Angeles. Hi, John.
For us. If the drugs, kung anong mangyayari sa ating buhay, kung gagamit tayo ng illegal na droga. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much as well to our Bachelor number 9, John Alvin Angeles from Malolos, Bulacan, once again. So this time around, we move forward to Bachelor number 15 from Rizal, Jeffrey Montibo. All right, so hi, Jeffrey. Is this the first time that you've joined a competition, or did you join any competition before?
Mr. RP, Philippines.
Okay, so you already have experience. So your question is, what is your advocacy and why did you choose it?
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Ang aking advokasya ay naglalayon na bigyan ng karapatan ang ating matatanda. Hindi ligid sa ating kaalaman, maraming matanda inaabandona ng kanilang mga anak. At hindi lang yun, maraming pag-aabuso at pananakit. At dahil dito, bilang isang sa kabataan dito sa Pilipinas, sumali ako sa isang organisasyon na tumutulong, lingapin, at pangalagaan at bigyan ng karapatan ang ating matatanda. Ito po ay ang For Cristo. Alam nating lahat, hindi lalaki ang ating mga buto kung hindi dahil sa kanila. Alagaan natin at bigyan ng pansin ang ating mga matatanda. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat din. Thank you very much, Jeffrey Montibo, Bachelor 15 from Rizal. Moving forward to Bachelor 11 from Marinduque, Mark Jero Bagapor. Alright, so hi Mark. Kumusta naman ang iyong pag-stay dito sa Alaminos? How did you find it?
Okay naman po. Sobrang napakabait ng mga taga-Pangasinan. Welcome po sa pagtanggap sa amin dito. God bless po.
Thank you very much. So you made it now to the top 12. And the same question, what is your advocacy and why did you choose this advocacy?
Our environment constantly change. We cannot deny it. However, our environment change. We people should be aware of what's happening in our world. And my advocacy is to mitigate global warming. As a future educator, I will educate all the people in my community on how to protect, love, care, and reach the beauty and of richness of our environment. Because I believe, save life, save Mother Earth. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you as well to you. Mark Jero Bagapor, Bachelor 11 from Marinduque. And now we shall have Bachelor 7 from Ilocos Sur, Victor Alvaran III. So all of our bachelors each have their own advocacy. It just depends on how well they explain it. So, hi, Bachelor 7 from Ilocos Sur. So where exactly are you from in Ilocos Sur?
Vegan City.
Vegan. So what can you offer to everybody if ever we'll be visiting?
Longganisa and panada.
Of course. All right. So here's our question. Bachelor 7, what is your advocacy and why did you choose it?
Ang aking advokasya ay ang premarital sex. Alam nating lahat ng ang premarital sex ay isa sa pinakamahalagang issue sa ating bansa. Dapat natin bigyan kaalaman ang mga kabataan tungkol sa issue na ito. Ang mga magulang na nakikinig ngayon at nanonood, napakahalaga ng papel ninyo upang gabayan ang inyong mga anak sa
at bigyan sila ng kaalaman upang maiwasan ang premarital sex. Maraming salamat at magandang gabi po.
Thank you very, very much to our Bachelor 7 from Ilocos Sur. Moving forward, we now have Bachelor 2, Zenward Jet Katigbak from Batangas. Hi, Zenward. So, you have a unique name, Zenward. What does it mean?
Yes. Zenward po, combination ng my father's name and father's and mother's name.
Oh, so that's interesting. All right, so our Bachelor from Batangas, what is your advocacy? And tell everybody why you chose it.
Good evening, everyone. Setting of people's perspective in life makes an undeniable. Because through this advocacy is to promote equality between human diversity. Because yes, we have different mindset, different races, different religion, or even different sexual orientation. However, we are just the same. We are all human, and only God has the right to judge. Outreach programs, seminars, or even events and programs includes everyone is the right key to achieve this advocacy. That's why I'm here to promote this advocacy, because through this advocacy, we create understanding. When we already understood everything, we create friendship. When we create friendship, we create peace. And when we create peace, we create love. And through this love, we create a better world to live in. A simple advocacy for a great and better future. Thank you so much.
That was our Bachelor from Batangas, Bachelor number 2, Zenward Jet Katigbak. Let us now have our 9th Bachelor to enter the top 12, Bachelor 13 from Pampanga, Vince Paul Tumanliwan. From Pampanga, the culinary capital of the Philippines. So, what food do you think is the best food in Pampanga?
Oo naman. Sisig.
All right, syempre, of course, sisig. And now, Bachelor 13, what is your advocacy and why did you choose that advocacy?
Encouraging out-of-school youth to be actively involved in sports is my advocacy, because I would like to help them keep themselves away from doing bad things or bad vices, such as drinking alcohol, smoking, and most especially from taking drugs. Furthermore, since I'm a basketball player, there's a lot of things that they can get from it. They can be physically fit, have a lot of friends. The most important thing is that it can help them to be in school. Just like what I did, I have used my skills in playing basketball, and my school gave me a scholarship. So therefore, I'll make use of this big opportunity to set myself as a role model and to encourage my fellow youth to be actively involved in sports, not only just to enjoy, but for them to have a better future and to become a better individual that they can be. That would be all.
Thank you very much, our Bachelor from Pampanga. Moving forward, we now have Bachelor 19 from the Filipino community of Southern Italy, Joshua Manansala. All right, so Joshua, so you're from the Filipino community of Southern Italy. We also have one from the Northern Italy. What's the difference aside from Northern and Southern ba?
There's nothing different about it because North's up and Southern's down.
Just that, simply just that. Okay, so Joshua, tell us about your advocacy and why did you choose it?
Good evening, everyone. My advocacy is about anti-bullying.
Hi, Hernan. So who made your barong?
Tito Sunny. Tito Sunny Boy Mindo.
Right, so thank you very much to your designer as well. Very well fitting. Okay, so what is your advocacy and why did you choose it?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay produkto ng Alternative Learning System o tinatawag po natin na ALS. Ang advokasya ko po ay tungkol po sa mga kabataang hindi na ipagpatuloy ang kanilang pag-aaral. Kaya naman, hangad ko na mahikayat sila na muling magbalik sa pag-aaral. Sapagkat ang edukasyon po ang pinakamatibay na sandata para sa ating kinabukasan. At naniniwala rin po ako na ang edukasyon ang siyang kaagapay natin patungo sa magandang buhay. Maraming salamat po. Muli po, magandang gabi po.
Thank you very much, Bachelor 3, Bocaue, Bulacan, Hernan Abraham. And the last Bachelor for the top 12 is Bachelor 14, Christian Sarmiento from Quezon Province. All right, so hi Christian, you'll be the last to answer our question. Are you ready? Do you think you are?
Yes, I am.
Of course. So what is your advocacy? And tell everybody why you chose that advocacy.
I took a Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management because, as we all know, our country has a lot of things to offer. We have beautiful beaches, rich biodiversity, culture, heritage, and us, the wonderful people. That's why I want to push forward with my advocacy, which is tourism promotion through social media platform. Because as we all know, social media is one of the most powerful tools to influence and to convey message to other people. Using this advocacy, I will raise awareness to certain environmental issues that our country is facing today. And I believe that having this kind of advocacy, I could make a change, I could be a greater purpose, and I could make a stand. And I will do my best for my advocacy for the tourism of our country, which is the Philippines. That would be all.
Thank you very much. That was Bachelor 14 from Quezon Province, Christian Sarmiento. And that also concludes our interview for each of the top 12. And of course, at this time, our judges have already given their scores for each of our top 12. And just like what I've said a while ago, all of these contestants, all of these contenders have their own advocacy upon entering this competition. And right now we have heard some of them. And of course, the winner that we will be choosing to move forward for the Global Bachelor Philippines and compete for its international counterpart will also be bringing that advocacy with them when they enter the international round. So right now, we are having our scores tallied, and we will be narrowing down our top 12 into top 6. So for the top 6 later on, ladies and gentlemen, they will be answering a unique question for all of us. So for everybody, the top 6 will be answering not a question, but they're going to tell us something about a photograph. Each of the top 6 will be given a photograph that they will have to explain and give interpretation and meaning to in their own way. And of course, whoever will be giving the best answer among the top 6 later on will be our winner. So as early as now, thank you very much once again to our judges for giving out their best scores to our top 12. And of course, as of this moment, I would like to give thanks. Nagpapasalamat din po ako to everyone who is still here for this evening, waiting for our results. And to everybody who is watching at home, YouTube Live. Of course, we are still here at the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018, and we have narrowed down our top 19 into our top 12. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, I would like to give thanks to the city of Alaminos for letting us be part of their celebration. Once again, the Second 100 Islands Parao Festival 2018, and for giving us this venue for tonight. so that we can have this competition, the very first Global Bachelor Philippines 2018, held right here in their very own city. So thank you very much once again to the Honorable Mayor Arthur F. Celeste, and of course his First Lady, Madam Chloe Celeste. We would also like to give thanks to Honorable Vice Mayor and SP Council Antonio Miguel Perez, Miss Michelle Segundera, Executive Chairman of the Second 100 Islands Parao Festival, Mr. Solomon Tablang, Event Chairman, Dr. Emily Gallardo, City Administrator, Philippine National Police, Peace and Order Safety Office, City Information Office, City Mayor's Office, City Cooperatives Office, City Health Office, City Disaster and Risk Reduction Office, Management Information Office, the City Tourism Office, ushers and usherettes for this evening, the City General Services Office, the Governor Amado T. Espino III, and of course, we are thankful as well to our partner affiliates, Infinite Productions and Talent Management Incorporated, headed by Regional Directors Chino Lilo and William Plomero. We are looking forward to working with you guys for the Mr. Calabarzon, of course, and for supporting us. Thank you very much. We also like to give thanks to Ginoo at Binibining Bulacan Charity Incorporated, headed by Regional Director Chiki Francisco, Mr. Republica ng Pilipinas Europe, headed by the Regional Director Paulo Noces, and our official partners, sponsors, Narciso Ramos Sports Complex Dormitory, Sunny Boy Mindo for our official swimwear, Juancho Gabinete Photography, our official photographer, and Dennis Espinelli Salcedo, our associate photographer. At sa ngayon din po, nais din po namin magpasalamat sa mga handlers and makeup artists who have supported their contenders all throughout the whole competition. So they have already been here since March 14, and that's almost a week now, or a couple of days, and they're still here. They're still supporting their candidates. And of course, what happens on stage is far quite different from what is happening backstage. So you may see everything that is calm, but backstage, everyone is working really hard for their contenders to make it and for them to be able to do their best for the competition. All right, so we're just waiting for the results, the tabulation of our judges' scores for the top 12. And we have just concluded our interview for our top 12 this evening. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat din po sa mga nagstay ngayong gabi. Sino dito ang mga taga Alaminos City? There, okay. So you guys, you are now celebrating your second 100 Islands Parao Festival. I've been mentioning it over and over again. It's a whole month celebration. So you're very lucky that your government is really supporting these kinds of endeavors, and they are putting out events for you guys. And so for the events that are happening for the Alaminos City, everyone is invited, of course, if you still want to stay for the rest of the days to come. We still have tomorrow, March 19, the Civic and Military Parade at 6 o'clock a.m. Float Parade, street dancing competition. So if you want to know where that is and where that will be exactly, just talk to your officials and they'll be able to tell you. And in the evening, you'll be having as well Grand Ball and Balikbayan Night. I surely do hope that I will be able to participate in that tomorrow as well if I'm still here. And on March 20th will be the Senior Citizens Night. So yung mga lolo ninyo, mga tita, tito, if you want to invite them for this event, the Senior Citizens Night, of course, this is for them. Invite them. It's not every day that our elders get to party and get to do what they want. So invite them for the March 20th Senior Citizens Night. And then we will also be having the March 21 Barangay Night. And that is for each and every barangay. They will be celebrating on March 21st. And then on March 22nd is our Transport Vendors Associations and Cooperatives Night. So the government of, the city government of Alaminos City really planned all this out so that every individual and every sector will have their own celebration. And then on the March 23rd, LGBT Day. So LGBT Day will be featuring gay boxing and gay basketball. So that's really interesting if you want to watch it. And they will also be having the Miss Gay West Pang pageant and coronation night. So with that, we now have our results for the top 6. And once again, may we welcome back on stage our top 12 for the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. So from top 12, we will now be having the top 6. All right, so gentlemen, I know you all did your best, but at this point, we have to cut down. So are you guys ready to hear who will be our top 6? Who do you think will be entering the top 6 for this evening? All right, so the first bachelor to enter the top 6 is Bachelor 18, Mark Vincent Mejia from the Filipino community of Northern Italy. You're also part of the top 6. Bachelor 5, Christian Allen Gobrin from Cavite. The next spot goes to our bachelor from Bulacan, Patrick John Onya. Congratulations. Once again, that was Patrick John Onya from Kalumpit, Bulacan, Bachelor 4. Next to enter our top 6 is Bachelor 9, John Alwin Angeles from Malolos, Bulacan. Two more slots to go. And this next slot goes to you, Bachelor 19, Joshua Manansala from the Filipino community of Southern Italy. And the last to enter our top 6 is you, Bachelor 14, Christian Sarmiento from Quezon Province. So this completes our Magic 6, everybody. And to the rest of the contestants who did not make it, congratulations as well. Here you go, ladies and gentlemen, our top 6 once again. Bachelor number 18, Mark Vincent Mejia of Northern Italy. Bachelor 5, Christian Allen Gobrin from Cavite. Bachelor 4 from Bulacan, from Kalumpit, Bulacan, Patrick John Onya. Bachelor 9 from Malolos, Bulacan, John Alwin Angeles. And Bachelor 19 from the Filipino community of Southern Italy, Joshua Manansala. And the last to enter is Bachelor 14, Christian Sarmiento from Quezon Province. All right, so may we ask our first Bachelor 18, Mark Vincent Mejia from the Filipino community of Northern Italy to please stay. As for the rest of our top 6, please proceed backstage. For we will now be proceeding with our next round. Okay, so congratulations to you, Mark, for making it to our top 6. So once again, as I've said a while ago, for this portion of the competition, this will not be your ordinary question and answer, everybody. We will be showing a photograph, a picture on this screen, and our top 6 will be answering it based on their own interpretation. And they will be judged based on that answer as well. All right, so now, I believe we're ready. Bachelor 18 from the Filipino community of Northern Italy, Mark Vincent Mejia, here is your photograph. All right, so here it is.
Good evening, everyone. The picture shows a man who has fire in their eyes, a determined person, and I believe na yung iniisip po niya ay straight lang, at no matter what, gagawin niya po ang lahat para ma-achieve niya po yung goal niya. At ginagawa po niya inspiration para ma-achieve itong goal, yung values of family, friends, and values of Christianity. Kasi po lahat po ng meron po tayo ay galing po sa Panginoon. Thank you po.
Thank you very much, Mark Vincent Mejia. We shall now have Bachelor 5 from Cavite, Christian Allen Gobrin. All right, Sir Christian, once again, congratulations for making it to our top 6. And you know how this goes. You will be given a photograph, and just tell us what your interpretation of that photograph will be. Ready? Ready. Okay, here's your photograph.
The picture of mine. So, nakita natin sa picture is black and white. Nagre-represent sa pagiging ups and downs ng buhay ko. Minsan masaya, minsan malungkot. At hindi naman yun natatapos sa pagiging masaya kasi minsan may dumadating na problema na kailangan ng matinding pananalig sa Diyos para malagpasan ito. Kaya sa nakikita nyo picture, black and white, ayun yung buhay ko na minsan nasa taas, minsan nasa baba. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Bachelor 5 from Cavite. And now, let's have Bachelor number 4 from Kalumpit, Bulacan, Patrick John Onia. All right, so hi PJ, you're here once again. Congratulations, you made it to our top 6. And as I've mentioned, you will be given a photograph, and just give us your interpretation of this photograph for everybody and of course for the judges. Are you ready? Here is your photograph.
This is my picture, and it's black and white, and it's a modeling one. So I think being a real model would be extending a helping hand, not just being good looking, but being able to have a mission in your life, and that is to be good into others and do what you can to help them. And that would be all. Good evening.
Thank you very much. That was Bachelor 4 from Kalumpit, Bulacan, Patrick John Onia. Proceeding to our next Bachelor, who's part of the top 6, Bachelor 9, all the way from Malolos, Bulacan, John Alwin Angeles. All right, so John, I would also like to congratulate you just like everybody else. You have made it to our top 6. This is your moment to prove that you deserve to be Global Bachelor Philippine 2018. You will be shown a photograph and just tell us what you think and what is your interpretation of that photo. Here is your photograph.
Itong picture ko po na to ang inspirasyon ko sa lahat ng aking gagawin. Bilang isang pulis, karangalan ko pong makasali dito. It's my honor and privilege para po iangat ang kapulisan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat din sa'yo. Bachelor 9. At this point, we are down to 2 more bachelors, and we now have Bachelor 19 from the Filipino community in Southern Italy, Joshua Manansala, of course, with his supporters. I'm sure you're very much happy that you made it here and you have your supporters with you. Right at this moment, you will be shown a photograph and just tell us what you think and what is your interpretation of it. Ready?
Pinapakita po ng picture na to kung gaano ka successful sa buhay. Dahil isa lang naman po ang dahilan kung bakit ganito. Nang dahil po sa Diyos. Dahil naniniwala po ako, ang isang taong gagabay sa iyo ay ang Diyos lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Very well said. Thank you very much, Bachelor 19. And now, the last Bachelor to give us his own interpretation. Bachelor 14 from Quezon Province, Christian Sarmiento. Hi, Christian. So, you already know how this will go? You will be shown a photograph and just tell everybody what is your interpretation of this photo.
That picture of mine depicts of a purpose-driven man. He is someone passionate and has a lot of dream in his life. He is not just a man with a good looks, but also he is a man with a good heart, good personality, and good attitude that can inspire and be a role model to other people. And I believe that this man, Christian Sarmiento, is the epitome of a purpose-driven man. That will be all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Bachelor 14 from Quezon Province, Christian Sarmiento. And with that, we have just concluded our question and answer portion for the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. As I told you, it was an unconventional question and answer portion, and even I was taken and blown away by what our top 6 have said in those photographs. So right now, our judges are already giving out their scores. And of course, within a few moments, we will be finding out who will be the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018 and who will be competing in the Mr. Global 2018, an international pageant set to happen this year. And of course, let me just tell everybody that our top 6, all of our top 6 are already winners. They will all be having each their own titles, but of course, there can only be one Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. And aside from that title, we will be also having our Global Bachelor Philippines Teen 2018, who will be competing for an international competition as well. So at this point, we would like to give out our whole love and gratitude to the people who have supported the competition. And we have been saying it over and over again that we are thankful, and that is because we are thankful for all the support since this pageant has been mounted. So for the Global Bachelor Philippines, and of course the rest of the people who have supported us, thank you very much. And with that, we would like to offer this simple token, a certificate of appreciation, beginning with... All right, so to help us with our certificate of appreciation and of course our gratitude, let's move over here to the center for everybody to see how good looking and gorgeous you guys are. So how are you guys? So once again, let me introduce to you our Mr. Global Philippines 2017. We have James, and of course our Mr. Philippines Tourism, Woody, with us. So, pwede bang sa gitna ako? If it's okay, since I'm a girl. Wow. Okay, it's just that I missed you guys. So ladies and gentlemen, these two gentlemen right beside me have competed for Mr. Philippines 2018 last year. And as for everyone's information, the Mr. Philippines is actually now currently the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. So when they competed for Mr. Philippines last year, I was also very much honored to be their host for that competition. And of course, these two guys have grown in the year that have passed. So not just grown, but they've become more good looking. Okay, all right, so let's proceed first with our Mr. Philippines Tourism, Woody. So what happened to you in the past year?
First of all, I want to congratulate the organizer of this Global Bachelor Philippines, Sir Ian Curioso, and of course, Mother Childe Libertad, our very own from Pangasinan. My journey for almost 1 year already was, I was become famous through social media, and I almost compete for international competition, but suddenly I am having my review right now for civil engineering licensure examination. So that's all. I'm happy to see you all right now. Thank you.
All right, so you've chosen education over the competition that you were supposed to enter. But it's okay, of course, education is a must for everybody. And you said that you were going to be taking up a licensure exam for civil engineering. So we do hope that you pass that exam. And of course, maybe in the next year that's upcoming, you'll be an engineer that everybody would be able to, of course, contact if they want to. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Woody, Mr. Philippines Tourism. And now, we also have with us the Mr. Philippines Global. And of course, you have a lot of news for us. What happened throughout the whole year with you?
Good evening, everyone. Last year, ako po yung nag-compete for the Mr. Global competition na ginanap sa Thailand, sa Chiang Mai. So, that time po, it really changed my life po kasi I was able to share and explore different things po, like yung culture natin na i-share ko sa ibang lahi, sa ibang bansa. And that was one of the best things in my life po as a part ng youth. And as part po ng pagiging sumasali sa pageant, isa pong malaking honor yung i-represent yung country natin sa ibang bansa.
All right, so for everyone's information, the Mr. Global, the one that James has competed for last year, will be the same pageant that the Global Bachelor Philippine title would be competing for in this year. So whoever will be going home with the title will be representing our country in an international competition, just like what James did for us in the past year. So a big round of applause for James Alfred Ventura, Mr. Global Philippines 2017, and Woody Andres Jr., Mr. Philippines Tourism 2017. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating Mr. Philippines, so both of them, for being here this evening. And so with that, we now would like to give out these certificate of appreciation to these people who have helped us through and through the whole competition. We begin with Mr. Juancho Gabinete. So we would like to give thanks to Mr. Juancho Gabinete for being our official photographer for the 2018 staging of the Global Bachelor Philippines here at Alaminos City, given on this day, March 18th, 2018. So thank you very much, Mr. Juancho Gabinete, for always supporting us. Thank you. And of course, we would also like to give thanks to Mr. Sonny Boy Mindo. A big thanks to Mr. Sonny Boy Mindo for being our official swimwear sponsor for this 2018 Global Bachelor of the Philippines. Thank you very much, sir, for being our sponsor for the lovely swimwear that our bachelors were able to wear. And this next certificate of appreciation, we would like to give out to Mr. Dennis Espinelli Salcedo for being our associate photographer for this year. Thank you very much. Of course, these certificates were signed by our very own chairperson, Global Bachelor Philippines 2018 Host Committee, Mr. Childe Libertad, along with Mr. Ian Curioso and Mr. Larry Garcia. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. And now, we would also like to give thanks, of course, to our chairman and the host committee of Global Bachelor Philippines 2018, Mr. Childe Libertad. Thank you very much. Without him, we wouldn't have been able to make it to this night and, of course, have the whole Global Bachelor Philippines be mounted on this very stage. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Childe. All right, thank you very much as well to you guys, both gentlemen, for helping us out with our certificates and, of course, dedication to these people. At this point, we would now like to call on back on stage our top 6 for the Global Bachelor Philippines. Our top 6 are not just good-looking men, but of course, they are purpose-driven men. And because of their purpose and their advocacy, they have made it to this stage. And right now, I already have the results here in my hand, and we will be finding out who our winner will be and who the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018 will be going to compete in an international competition within the year. So ladies and gentlemen, are we all ready? I believe we are. So at this point, we shall now be awarding our Global Bachelor Philippines second runner-up. And the Global Bachelor Philippines second runner-up 2018 is Bachelor 5 from Cavite, Christian Alan Gobrin. Congratulations once again, Bachelor 5 Cavite, Christian Alan Gobrin. You are our Global Bachelor Philippines second runner-up. And now for the Global Bachelor Philippines first runner-up 2018. This goes to Bachelor 4 from Kalumpit, Bulacan, Patrick John Onia. Congratulations, you are our Global Bachelor Philippines first runner-up for this year 2018. We're slowly getting closer to the results of who our new king will be. And with that, we shall be having our Global Bachelor Philippines Global Teen 2018. And the winner of this title will be competing for an international competition as well, which is the Mr. Global Teen 2018. So for the Global Bachelor Philippines Global Teen 2018, the winner for this title is Bachelor number 19 from the Filipino community of Southern Italy, Joshua Manansala. So congratulations to you, Joshua. You will be competing in Thailand for the Mr. Global Teen 2018. Once again, Joshua will be competing for this year's Mr. Global Teen, which will be held in Thailand. Congratulations. We shall not keep you waiting any longer. We move forward to the Global Bachelor Philippines Montage International 2018. And the winner for this title is Bachelor 18, Filipino community of Northern Italy, Mark Mejia. Congratulations, you are our Global Bachelor Philippines Montage International 2018. Right now, at this very point, we would like to invite our two remaining gentlemen right here at center stage. All right, so we only have Bachelor 9 from Malolos, Bulacan, John Alwin Angeles, and Bachelor 14, Christian Sarmiento from Quezon Province. Who do you think will be our Global Bachelor Philippines for this year? All right, so ladies and gentlemen, the first name that I will be calling is our Global Bachelor Philippines Tourism 2018. Inuulit ko po, ang unang tatawagin ko will be our Global Bachelor Philippines Tourism 2018, meaning that the second name that I will be calling will be our new king and will be the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018 to compete for this year's Mr. Global to represent the Philippines. Also in Thailand. All right, is everybody ready? The Global Bachelor Philippines Tourism 2018 is Malolos, Bulacan, Mark. Once again, Malolos, Bulacan is our Global Bachelor Philippines Tourism. From Malolos, Bulacan, Bachelor 9, John Alwin Angeles, meaning that our Global Bachelor Philippines Mr. Global 2018 is Bachelor 14 from Quezon Province, Christian Sarmiento. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. There you have it, our winners for this year's Global Bachelor Philippines 2018. Our second runner-up for the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018 from Cavite, Christian Alan Gobrin. Our first runner-up, Global Bachelor Philippines 2018 from Kalumpit, Bulacan, Patrick John Onia. Our Global Bachelor Philippines Global Teen 2018 to compete in Thailand this year from the Filipino community of Southern Italy, Joshua Manansala. Our Global Bachelor Philippines Montage International 2018 from the Filipino community of Northern Italy, Mark Mejia. And the Global Bachelor Philippines Tourism 2018 from Malolos, Bulacan, Bachelor 9, John Alwin Angeles. And ladies and gents, your new king for the Global Bachelor Philippines 2018, none other than from Quezon Province, Christian Sarmiento. Congratulations once again, Christian will be competing in Thailand for the Mr. Global 2018. So this has been your host for this evening. I'm Gabriel Given. I'm Alfonso. Thank you very much for having me. See you all again next year for the Global Philippines or Global Bachelor Philippines 2019.